Okay, I'm going to talk in more detail about how to edit the games in the Interaction Builder. Alright, so from the Interaction Builder I chose the Games category. And then as you look at each of the games, you can see these icons on the bottom. So these icons let you know which format the game is available in. So if it's available in Flash and HTML5, you'll see both those icons down there. And then there are some games that are available only in HTML5. So you want to just check those icons down there. So when you're ready to create a game, you'll just mouse over the game that you want to create and click Create Now. And I already selected the World Race game. Come down here to step number 2, Input Content. So if you scroll down here, you can see there's an on-off switch for everywhere up to 20 questions depending on your game. And you can turn these on and off. So if you want to have a game with just 8 questions, just turn that switch. And again, you can come back here and add those on later if you'd like to. Alright, so I'm going to leave it at 12. And you click on this, you can enter in all the text that you want here in the introduction. When you come here to your questions, this would be your question text right here. So I'm on the question area. And then right above that, these are the 3 different types of questions that you can choose from. So a multiple choice, where you could have 4 potential answers and only one of them is correct. A multiple answer, where you'd have 4 potential answers. However, multiple answers could be correct. And then you could have a true-false option. So let's look at multiple choice. I choose multiple choice. You can upload audio and image for this question. And then on the correct answer, just go ahead and put what the correct answer text would be there. And then you'd have your correct feedback. Then you click on the incorrect answers and put the incorrect answer text there, and then whatever feedback you want to appear on that incorrect answer. And you just click through these and enter in all that text. Alright, now if we choose multiple answer, here's your answer options right here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here's your feedback option. Now right here, this is where you indicate which of the answers are correct. Remember, this is a multiple one, so you could have maybe 3 of the 4 be correct. And then on the true-false, there's just correct and incorrect. So you put in your answer text and then your feedback. Alright, so once you've done that, you can scroll down here, get near the bottom. You'll see conclusion, continue, and yours might be a little bit different depending on the game that you select, but this is the text for the buttons. So if I click continue button, you can see that says continue. Let me change that to, let me put new text so you can see this change. Now when I click preview here, just choose one of these. You see that continue button actually changed to say new text. So right down here, this is where you have access to change the text on those buttons. So each game has different buttons that are visible, so you just want to go down here and see what's available. Alright, so after you've input all the images and text and all the audio to your games, click on Select a Theme. You can come in here and choose different themes for your game. So just for kicks, let me choose this one right here. We'll see how the game's going to change now. Let me click on Preview. You see it keeps the world race, that globe back there, but the background and all of this changed. Click this, you can see the new buttons. Alright, and then also what you want to do is go down here to Settings. Each of the games have different settings. You can turn on and off the sounds, you can turn on and off the question randomization, and also the answer randomization. And some of the games have timers, so you can turn on and off those timers. Other games also have an option where you can force the user to get the correct answer before they continue, or you can just continue even if they get it wrong and you just tell them it's wrong. Alright, so when you're done with that, you can save your game, and then you can go ahead and just download that. You can download the Flash version of those games or the HTML5. Again, it just depends on which version of the game is produced in the Interaction Builder for this. And again, you saw that icon in the very beginning. Right down here on the bottom, you can see which formats are available. Alright, that's how you edit the games.